So these are the two colors that we're gonna be mixing together or using watercolor and actual like dyeing method to get it kind of bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace and I'll be back, guys. So, guys, do not come for me in the comment section talking about why you not wearing the bra, why you still got your bonnet on, why you look crazy. Listen, it was 8 o'clock in the morning when I woke up to start doing this wig, and I did not finish until 8, 9 o'clock that night because how long it took me to even work on the wig and get it right. So don't come for me in the comment section because I just wanted to get the wig done so I can have it for this upcoming week because I have a concert I'm going to. So that's why I'm not wearing a bra and I'm not dolled up. I don't think it was no reason for me to get cute to sit in the house all day and work on the wig. So if that's why you see them titties swinging and sagging and hanging, that's why, because I wanted to come to you guys raw and uncut, and I've come to you guys like this before, so don't act brand new in the comment section. If you are brand new, hey girl, how you doing? Hey boy, how you doing? Hey Jules and Gems. But yes, guys, I just wanted to explain that because I know in the rest of the video I will not have on a bra or a change of outfit, so just don't really think about that. Think about the actual hair. So on here, guys, I just kind of want to show you the places I had the hangers. I forgot to take them off to get that part bleached. However, it's in the middle of the bundle, so it won't be seen. But I just kind of want to show you guys, don't forget to take the hangers off and soak those for a minute if you want it thorough and throughout the whole entire web. I just kind of want to show you guys a trick of mine that I like to do on my closures. So here I'm showing you guys that what I do is I actually part the closure and use the hot iron on each individual section of the closure. So here you can see how it's already laying flat on the closure, and I haven't even finished it off. But another thing I wanted to tell you with the 613 hair, when you hold heat on it too long, it does start to revert back. That's why you'll see a few light patches. This is the finishing product. I haven't cut it into a bob yet, but I wanted to show you guys the edges. I'm trying to learn how to swoop them a lot better, so I think this is really good. And the part, I plucked the part myself. Not only that, I did not pluck any of the hairline yet, so if you guys can come from me in the comments, please don't. I just want to show you my part and the edges that I did. And the finishing product, when I cut it into a bob, I might make a video in it so you guys can see it later on. But I won't make a full video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Goodbye.